In this video, I'll show you how to animate the stroke of text in After Effects. Okay, so first thing off, I will just remove this example and display our text. So that's simply going up to your text tool and typing in some text. I've set it to impact at 500 pixels for this example. So when you're ready to create your stroke, just select the text in your timeline, right click, go to create, and create shapes from text. What you'll see is a new layer with outlines added to the end of it, and underneath your original layer has been hidden. You can actually delete that now if you don't need it anymore. Now what we're going to do here is select our new layer, go up to fill, set it to none, and stroke, we want to set it to solid color, and I'll bring that up to 20 pixels. Bring your playhead back to the beginning of the timeline. Now go across and drop this arrow down to contents, and then you will see the word add and an arrow next to it. Click the arrow and select trim paths. Now what we're going to do here is drop down trim paths, and here we have our trim path settings. Now we can do this a couple of different ways. The first example, I'll click the stopwatch of the end to create a keyframe, and I'll drag that down to 0. You can see over here the keyframe has been added. I'll move across to 2 seconds and I'll drag that up to 100%, and you can see a keyframe has been automatically added. Now if I go back and play that, you'll see we have our animation. Now if I just Control Z and Control Z and Control Z to remove those two initial keyframes. Another way you can do it is to just set the end to, let's say, 80%. So now you can see that it's showing 80% of each text. Now if we go down to offset, click the stopwatch button to create a keyframe, move this across, and then let's set our rotation to 2 and hit the enter button, and you'll see a keyframe has been added. Now let's go back to the beginning and play. Now you can see that it's rotating and pushing the offset around. You can speed it up or slow it down just by dragging the end keyframe. Just one thing to note, if you go across here, you can see trim multiple shapes is set to simultaneous. That means that all the shapes, all the letters are working together. If you wanted to do them individually, you would then select individually.